Have you ever felt overwhelmed by AI? Like there are just too many tools out there to learn and not enough time? Stick with me. Right now, I'm standing here in a place that represents one of the greatest feats of engineering in history, the Titan missile. Back in the day, the Titan was the cutting edge of technology. It was massive, powerful, and built with precision. My favorite part? The Titan program led the groundwork for space exploration to the moon. The same technology that once carried missiles eventually carried astronauts to the stars. Think about that for a second. A system designed for one thing became the launch pad for something far greater, literally taking us beyond our limits. Well, that's exactly where we are with AI right now. It's big. It's so powerful. And yes, it can seem overwhelming. But like the Titan, the key isn't fearing the technology, it's understanding how to use it to go further than ever before. If you feel like a 1 or a 2 out of 10 when it comes to AI, you deserve to take your understanding to the next level. That's why I'm giving a 2-day free AI webinar to give you the tools, step-by-step guidance, and the confidence to use AI to simplify your work, to streamline your business, and to free up your time for what really matters. The webinar is occurring this Monday and Tuesday, March 10th and 11th at 9 a.m. Pacific, 1 hour each day. Don't be left behind. Take off and take your mastery of AI to the next level. You know, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to launch you into a whole new universe of productivity. So are you ready? You ready to take off? Register below, grab your seat before this rocket has launched. And let's make this the moment that you'll always remember. The moment you moved from overwhelmed to unstoppable. I'll see you on the inside. Click below to register, and I look forward to seeing you in our awesome free webinar Monday, Tuesday, 9 a.m. Join now. Don't be late.